Why you should switch to monthly maid plan. So welcome here. Today we'll talk about top 3 reasons to subscribe to monthly paid plan, and why you should consider hiring maid cleaning in Dubai. Are you someone who prefers to relax on weekends with cleaned home? You prefer maid cleaning in Dubai to send the same maid every time you book your services? If yes, then your wish is granted, as 247bookingapp is UAE #1 quality cleaning subscription portal. Maid cleaning in Dubai is cheaper than you'd think. Do you know that the most average United Arab Emirate resident spends about 4 hours cleaning every week, but still you don't reach the dirty spots, etc.? As we know that our lives are hectic and stressful, professionals know the correct method of deep cleaning. With the COVID-19 pandemic spreading across the globe, keeping your home clean is more important than ever. While if you book your maid every time in 35 Emirati dirhams to 40 AED, it gets too pricey. Hiring cleaning services on a monthly basis isn't as expensive as you might expect, as our services starts from 224 AED only and price starts from 18 AED only.